What's going on, everybody? It's Smitty back with another video. Hope you all have been doing fantastic. So we all know that shaders have been available on the Minecraft Bedrock preview version for Windows, Android, and Xbox for well over a month now, and hopefully you all have been enjoying these custom shader packs. But one thing there may still be confusion on in the community is related to Android devices, more specifically those with a Mali GPU, and what some people with this GPU experience is when they try and activate the deferred rendering button, their game will crash. Well, today I'm here to bring you promising news that Mojang is actively working on fixing this. As a matter of fact, they will be fixing it in the next preview update, and you can actually literally fix the issue right now. That's right, you can get working shaders on a Mali device today, and I'll show you how to do it in a moment. And then of course I'll also discuss some other shaders news going on in the community. Let's begin. So how do we know the Mali GPU issue will get fixed? Well, on the Discord server Years Static Shader Group, which is a very popular server, if you are interested in shaders and have Discord, I'll leave a link down below to it. But on this server yesterday, a user by the name of Animu asked the question, "Yo guys, is the bug with Mali GPU users already fixed? Still haven't checked it out since the last 2 weeks." And after this question was sent, an actual Mojang employee responded saying, "I actually just jumped on to say that our, Mojang's, initial batch of Mali fixes is checked in and will show up in the next preview update. There will still be a subset of Mali devices that will not support the deferred technical preview at this time while we work to define our minimum spec, but those will at least no longer crash on world load." And this was a message from a confirmed Mojang employee. As you can see, they clearly have the Mojang affiliate role, and that is just very positive news that actual Mojang employees are confirming the Mali device fix coming in the next preview update. Now, the one thing that's kind of negative in this employee statement was that there will be a subset of Mali devices that will still not be supported. So which devices still won't be supported? Well, a user by the name of Cookie hopped on and asked the question, "Might I ask what Mali GPUs won't be supported?" To which the Mojang employee responded, "I'm unable to comment on any individual device, but the device must currently support a maximum compute workgroup size, GL max compute workgroup, invocations of 256 or greater. The details will be included in the changelog." Now, if you're like me and you really don't know what this means, if you're wondering, how can you check if your device will work? Well, Animu asked this exact question saying, "Where can we check this?" To which Cookie responded, "There are some obscure apps on the Play Store like OpenGLES Caps Viewer, but download at your own risk." Animu says, "I see, thanks. I just checked it. Mine is 512. What app did you use?" And then they used OpenGLES Caps Viewer from the Play Store. So it looks like if you want to check if your device is compatible, you're going to want to go to the Play Store, get the app OpenGLES Caps Viewer, and then see if your GL max compute is greater than 256. If it is, you're in good shape, as in the next preview update, your device will support deferred technical shaders. If you're still having issues understanding all this, I'll leave a link down below to the Years Static Shader Discord server, and you can feel free to ask questions there. They are very educated on the topic, and that's kind of the place to be right now in regards to shaders. Okay, so all of this is great, but what if you want to fix the Mali GPU issue right now? Do you want to be able to play with shaders on your Android device right this second? Well, here's what you're going to want to do. Step number 1, in the description of this video, I have a download link to a .apk patch file from the Shaders Discord server. It's basically a patch that the developers of that server made to fix this issue. It's very safe to download, it'll save all your worlds and stuff, but go ahead and download that off of Mediafire and it will go to the downloads on your phone. Step number 2, there's another link down below there called the Mali GPU Resource Pack Fix, and this is just a .mcpack file, so like any other texture pack you would normally download, it's the same concept. Go ahead and get this downloading onto your phone. Step 3, now all you want to do is press on the .apk file. It should say, do you want to update Minecraft? Press yes. Once that is done, go ahead and press on the .mcpack file, and pressing on that should automatically launch Minecraft. Minecraft. Then once you're in Minecraft, you want to go to the resource pack section of whatever world you're trying to get the shaders on, and make sure you activate the deferred pipeline fix right here in your texture packs. And then you can also activate whatever shader pack you want to work. Make sure you activate the deferred rendering option in the experiments, and then you can load up your world, and it should work. So it's as simple as downloading two things, opening Minecraft, and just applying them pretty much. I honestly don't have an Android device, so if this didn't work for you, again, I'm going to leave a link down below to that Discord server where they made this fix, and they can definitely help you best there if you need to troubleshoot something. It is really cool that people in the shader community actually made our own fix, and I hope that as many people can test out the shaders as possible, because they are definitely a lot of fun, and it's honestly just a great time in the Bedrock community, as we are finally getting features that we've been excited for years. One of the things I want to talk about real quick is where are we with the shaders right now? When they were officially released and supported back at the beginning of August, you'll recall Mojang giving add-on creators access to editing PBR materials, primary lighting, shadows, bloom, and tone mapping, and then they promised to add more control to add-on creators over time. Well, to this day, I believe the only other thing that people have been able to edit in their packs is the sun angle, which is really cool, but the big feature we are waiting on is when people can finally edit water. That's when the packs will really start to stand out. Furthermore, there appears to be a bug where lava doesn't glow in some packs, and that is because it is a bug due to the nether, and Mojang is aware of it, so they will get it fixed. The thing to remember is that we are still very much in the testing phase, and Mojang and the community are working together great here, and we will sort out all of these bugs, and eventually in the future, the shader packs are going to be insane. But until that day, let's all just remain patient and work with what we have. But hopefully the Mali GPU fix worked for all of you. I hope all of you Android users are excited out there that it's pretty much confirmed in the next update, the deferred technical lighting will be more optimized to your device. Some people may be wondering, when are the shader capabilities coming to the main version of the game and not just the preview version? Well, just know we are still in the very early phases, so it'll be a while, at least months probably, until we see it launched into the full game of Minecraft. And some Mojang employees like Kayla here have literally been quoted saying, deferred rendering is staying on preview for a while still, so it'll be a bit. But let me know which shader packs you all have been using. I see a lot of hype around the Poggys Luminous Dreams pack, and Poggy is doing great work there, keeping it very up to date and updating the community. Feel free to check it out, I'll leave a link to it down below, a very solid shader pack. But anyways, there has been a lot of good news all around. I'll be sure to keep you all up to date as always. Thank you all so much for watching, thank you so much for the support. Have a great rest of your day everyone, it's been Smitty, and until the next one, peace out.